Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni professional espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace all the gaskets that you see right here. The ones from the piston, the ones from the heat element, the flanges of the machine itself. These ones are the surviving ones. We made sure that the base of the machine was very tight and it was straight. We also replaced the gaskets of the piston, side glass, steamer one, as well as give it a good clean and giving a good service to the machine. So yeah, that's all we did. And we have been having this machine for a while. There is no leaks coming out from the steam one, from any parts of the boiler at all, or from the heating element, as we've been already testing this machine for a while. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine. Hopefully we get to see a nice shot of espresso and I pick up the right and series of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see it with coffee or coffee barely dripping. Probably need to temper a little bit extra harder to get that perfect shot, but as you can see we got a little bit of crema coming out of the machine, and while it was a little bit fast it still did good crema on the top of the machine. Steamer, I'm gonna remove my shot as I want to drink that. As you can see, steamer working perfectly fine, with good pressure coming out of the machine. It's a little bit hot today. We can see the steam coming out of the one, and as you can see, no leaks in the machine. There you have it. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.